Welcome to Healing Supplements. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and essential compounds for your skin, joints, and overall health, hyaluronic acid. If you're wondering what it is, why you need it, and how it can benefit you, then stay tuned because we've got an information-packed video ahead. Hyaluronic acid, or HA, is a naturally occurring molecule found in your body, mainly in your skin, connective tissues, and eyes. It plays a crucial role in retaining water and keeping tissues well lubricated and moist. Just 1 gram of hyaluronic acid can hold up to 6 liters of water. That's why it's a powerhouse for hydration and elasticity. Improves eye health. Found in the fluid in your eyes, it helps retain moisture and prevent dry eyes. HA is a common ingredient in artificial tears and eye drops for those suffering from chronic dry eye syndrome. Aids in gut health. Hyaluronic acid supports the gut lining, promoting better digestion and reducing inflammation. It helps repair the intestinal lining, which is essential for people dealing with leaky gut syndrome or other digestive issues. Enhances hair growth and scalp hydration. A well-hydrated scalp leads to healthier, shinier hair. HA locks in moisture, preventing dryness and improving overall scalp health, which can encourage hair growth. May help with acid reflux. Research suggests that hyaluronic acid may soothe and heal the esophagus lining, helping those who suffer from acid reflux or GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease. Although your body naturally produces hyaluronic acid, its production declines with age, stress, and environmental factors like pollution and UV exposure. This can lead to dry skin, wrinkles, joint pain, and other issues. That's why supplementing with HA can be a game changer. Oral supplements are great for overall hydration, skin health, and joint support. Capsules and liquid forms are widely available. Topical serums and creams are ideal for moisturizing and anti-aging skincare. Look for hyaluronic acid combined with vitamin C for even better absorption. Injections by professionals are used for joint pain and dermal fillers. Many cosmetic procedures use hyaluronic acid-based fillers to restore lost volume in the face. Hyaluronic acid-rich foods such as bone broth, leafy greens, citrus fruits, and soy-based foods naturally boost hyaluronic acid levels. Hay-infused face masks are a great way to give your skin an instant hydration boost. Not all hyaluronic acid supplements are created equal. When choosing a supplement, look for low molecular weight hyaluronic acid, which absorbs better into the skin and body. Pure, high-quality sources free from fillers and additives. Synergistic ingredients often combined with collagen, vitamin C, or MSM for enhanced benefits. Third-party testing which ensures safety and purity. There's a lot of misinformation out there about hyaluronic acid. Let's bust some myths. Myth: hyaluronic acid is an actual acid that burns your skin. Fact: despite its name, hyaluronic acid is not an exfoliating acid like glycolic or salicylic acid. It's a gentle hydrating molecule that binds water to your skin and joints. Myth: only people with dry skin need hyaluronic acid. Fact: hyaluronic acid benefits all skin types, including oily and acne-prone skin. It helps maintain a balanced moisture level, preventing excessive oil production. Myth: hyaluronic acid supplements don't work because the stomach breaks them down. Fact: while some hyaluronic acid is broken down in digestion, low molecular weight hyaluronic acid supplements have been shown to be effectively absorbed and provide benefits. Now that you know why hyaluronic acid is a must-have for your health and wellness, you might be wondering where to find a high-quality supplement. I've got you covered. I have an excellent source for premium hyaluronic acid supplements. Check out the link in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on more health and supplement tips. Your support really helps my channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and hydrated.